if it's too windy out here for this. If it is, I'll just re-record it. But I am on my way to Amsterdam. Well, to the train station, and then to Amsterdam via bike. It's cold as shit out here. My thought process is I didn't want to put a jacket on because it'll be hot later. I don't want to carry it. I have regrets. So yeah, I've never done this trek before. It's not too bad, but it's cold. So I've arrived at my final destination, and as you can see, there's been a bit of a wardrobe change. I am at Beatrix Park, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, in Amsterdam. It's gorgeous. It is really, really pretty out here. But I am here to be the Easter Bunny for a group of, it's a toddler music class. So, yeah, it should be fun. So, I can't even get the whole thing in here. But this is what I'm working with. Just went through the first class, and it went well. They're tiny. They're like not even one, maybe one. So they were a little unsure, which is super valid. Now I'm walking back to the little area before the next class starts. I could definitely take the hat off, but at this point I'm enjoying all the strange looks. So yeah, happy Easter. So that was fun. I'm done. I've been done for a while, just kind of walking around Amsterdam right now. I bought this lip. It's a little lighter than I would normally wear. It's not so bad in the shade, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk around Amsterdam. I need to buy some sandals. All I have is sneakers and my feet are hot. So yeah, maybe I'll get some video, some sightseeing, and yeah. So I'm here shopping at Primark. I've literally lost count at how many times I've gone up a floor in this store. Oh, here's a number right here, 5. I'm on the 5th floor at this point. It's ridiculous. It's like a maze. And I'm just like out of it. See, this lip in the natural light or in the store light seems like it's too bright. Ice cream truck. The ice cream truck is coming. My money is upstairs. Ah! Alright. I don't know if I missed him or not. I heard him. Let's see. Move, Paisley. I need to get ice cream. You guys, it's not ice cream. It's a fish truck? I don't know how I feel. I like ran and like made him stop, and then when he pulled up and I realized it was fish, I felt bad, so I bought something anyway. I don't even really like seafood. Let's see, we'll try. Ooh. I was about to get me some ice cream. Fish. The fish truck. Only in the fucking Netherlands.